Hey, this is your sign that you don't need to give up. I am Unity Profusion, music producer. Something I need to tell you, you're not here just whatever. I know this video finds you because you need to listen this. Because it's something that I've been learning through. We used to talk about our things with people that probably doesn't know the things that you need to achieve, like, if you want to start something and then you ask maybe for advice to someone that someone doesn't even know about that. So in this case, my advice, I have a lot of advice. I had could be like a video like 10 advice for you to succeed in life. And life is everything is connected. It's not only words. It's about health, about love, about everything, But let's begin with this thing that I've been saying before, like, if you want to do something, you have all the tools in front of you. I mean, if you're watching this, it's because you can have, these times of that you want to actually be entertained, but being the whole day entertaining yourself and not doing anything for you, like in any area of your life, like learning new things that is really need for the brain. Actually, you need to keep on learning new things. Literally, every time that you can be with eyes and ears open to learn new things. So what I was saying, my advice is please stop asking or telling the things that you want to do with person that didn't achieve the thing that you want to achieve, As I say, we have now internet, we are all connected. You can search in Google. In Google, not in YouTube, there is everything there, So you can search by like histories and everything, It's not only one thing, Like, please don't let no one to make you think that you cannot do anything, because everything is possible in this life. Because as I say in my old videos that I talk about manifestation, that is really real, it's something that we should be more open to listen. But even if you don't believe, then the science part is actually as well the same, because now they are, telling about the quantum physics and how the things can change when some scientific story is doing any experiment, and then the experiment change when you are looking at or when you are not looking at. So that means that the particles change because of the observer. That means you are the observer, everyone is the observer. And also in religious, they were saying everything, like this thing. Everything is connected, So that's why I want to remember, and I will repeat this over and over again, till the people realize the power that we hold inside us. But in this specific chapter, I want to talk about this. Please stop listening to the person that didn't achieve the thing that you want to achieve, because they will not help you, because they don't know what they don't know. And if you want to talk with someone that can advise you, like in a literally response, maybe you can talk with ChatGPT, because ChatGPT or another tool like AI chatting, they have a lot of the information. So you can ask, like, I don't know, if you want to start like a business of cooking or, I don't know, do whatever you want, like drawing, painting, selling your stuff. There is a huge, with social media, everything is possible right now. So don't limit yourself for others. If you are one of the people that limit other places, stop. So, what I was saying. So, everything is internet. But something also that is really interesting is, of course, learning things is always good. I'm not drinking the coffee, sorry, excuse me. Is this thing. Even though when we have all the information out there, we still have all the information inside our brain because we are connected with everything. So it's actually good to follow your intuition. Intuition feels good, and if you can listen, is something that is there telling you things. And sometimes you are so afraid to make the first step. But you know, when you make the first step, you actually are opening doors. And when you put yourself out, more doors are open for you. That is like this. It's no other way around, you know? For me, I was before like kind of nervous talking in front of a camera right now, like I am doing it. But now, you know, because I reprogram myself with meditation, I will put my meditation that I did, and now you see me, I'm really talking, and I'm being myself. If someone don't know me, they know that I do like this and I do that. It's like I'm not doing any other, how to say it? Like I don't want to stay like serious. There is person for everyone, you know, and I will not play a different character than me, because there will be no another me, as there will be no another as you. So everything that you want to do, you can do, because it will be unique, because you are only one you. This is only one me. You know what I mean? It's very powerful when you realize this. So that's why I will not play any other character than mine. I'm like this. I am funny. I can talk serious. I can connect things. I can talk about everything. Sometimes I do this. I'm sorry about that. I know that. But yeah, at the end, I will not go into circles. This is your time for open up yourself and do. You know, if you are not good at working in a regular job, you don't need to do this. I mean, you can use like a way, because of course we all need money, a way for going to the direction that you want. I don't know what you want, but this thing that you want to do, that is telling you to do, this is why you are watching this video. That video will not find another person. I will not put any hashtag or anything, you know, because I want you to understand that everything is possible. With manifestation as well, you can manifest, and taking these, how to say, inspire actions. I have like videos. I will put maybe in the description or in the recommendation that I explain more about manifestation. Because if you have all the information, you start doing. I also tell you to relax. So, do all the things that make you feel relaxed. Because when you are relaxed and good with yourself, you can do the things. You know, I was saying, like, I was like kind of nervous before. Then now I'm just myself in front of the camera because I don't care, you know. I know if I have something that I can help to others, because others help me watching like in YouTube and TikTok, you know, everything is, we are like this, you know. If you have something to tell, to do, that is inside of you, calling you out, please start. Don't waste more time like and entertain yourself in other things, because at the end, you know, if if you put your hours in doing things, this is the most impressive thing that you can do. Because hours is the currency, actually. Hours are the currency. It's not the money. It's about how you spend your time. What are you doing? Like, what are you watching? If you keep on watching things that doesn't make you feel good, stop, you know. You better go read a book. Or if you don't like reading books, you can use audiobooks. If you want, I can recommend the books that I read. Never have a different mindset. Also, because I have a really huge awakening after my mom passed away. I just understand a lot of things right now. Everything that can makes me push me do new things or things that I'm scared, I will push myself to do it because, you know, after the fear, if you do it, nothing can stop you. That's why I'm saying, yeah, this is your sign, please. I can help you if you want. I like to help people. I've been doing that my whole life. And you can live for the thing that you want to. Maybe if you want me to like tell you some ideas, but at the end, it's inside of you. And if you teach your intuition and how to work it, you definitely can do it. You know, I've been traveling for free and having really good jobs. I've been in Dubai, I've been in Netherlands, Portugal, United Kingdom, Brazil, and now almost for free because I combine different things, you know. Now I am working only in my stuff. I make tattoos, learning new skills. I make tattoos for me and for some person that I know here right now. And I do things that I like, you know, because I like to make tattoos. If you want, I can put like picture the tattoos that I've been making. All my tattoos actually I made myself, but also I've been tattooing some of my friends and person that I know. So maybe if you want, you can ask me or whatever. But you see, everything you can become in something to do, but you need to be out there and believe in yourself. That is one of the things. So yeah, I hope that this video can make you understand that you can do it. If someone is doing, why not you? I want you to start meditation. Really. When you wake up and when you go to sleep or listen affirmations, there is a lot that you do. I have my own as well if you want to use. I will put on the description. And there is always different people out there with different personalities. This is mine, and I will not fake it. I don't like to fake it, it's not for me. But yeah, thanks for watching. If our video was helpful for you, I hope you can subscribe, like, share someone that can help, and comment. I will really love to reply your comments. I do actually meditations, customized meditation. If you want, I can make one for you. So yeah, please make the change. No one will make the change for you. You are, and you have the power to make it, okay? Peace. See you next time.